Okay, this one has an OD of 0.924, and it, I mean, it doesn't turn, and I'm not going to force it, but it just, it just doesn't turn. It's set too deep in the grooves, so I, I can't test that part of it. What I can test, I'll get the motor out of the way, and I can test this part of it. This has a, you can see this has a tiny bit of play here, and this is 0.547. The top is 0.547. So 0.547 on the top is a real nice. I got to get this motor out of the way here. Get out of the way. I've got this in a little box here so I can support it, and it's keeping this motor from getting free. Oh, darn it. All right. I'll drop the motor out of here. Okay. You can see that this works fine. Okay. Now this one has an overall height of 0.351, and at 0.351 this is closing. This is closing all the way, but you know, I mean, it's right on the edge. I mean, I never let them go out of here with a height of higher than 0.350. I normally make the overall height of them about 347, 345 to 347, 348 maybe. But I try to keep them under. I mean, I definitely keep them under 0.350. This one has. In fact, I was kind of surprised at how easily these came apart. This has this little ridge on the bottom, which I can take off. That'd be no problem to get that little ridge off of there. And also when I put it in, it has the nice lip here on the bottom. Looks like about a 5,000 to 7,000 lip on the bottom, which is great. That's really necessary because you can see that this doesn't have anything to sit on. It just sits on a flat surface. So all of the ones that have a perfectly flat surface like this, at the very least, I mean, I'd have to find a Teflon washer or something like that, a 10,000ths, 7,000, 10,000ths Teflon washer to put on there. And another thing too, the center hole in all of these is too small. I'm drilling them all out by hand. I'm using a number 41 bit, which is I think it's 350 thousandths. No. Oh heck. Where's my wrench? I need a wrench to pull this open here. Come on. I can't undo it. All right. It's yeah, .950. And this actually measures uh, 0.940, so that's a thousandth. It's a thousandth bigger than the shaft, and it fits real nice. All of these, the ones that I already drilled out, they fit real nice. I mean, there's a tiny, tiny little bit of wobble in there. There's number 3. Number 3. Now, for some reason, this one has you can see it. You can see the tiny little bit of wobble in there. Like I say, the actual size is 0.094.